Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to schedule tweets for maximum impact in 2025. Now, if you want more reach and engagement without tweeting manually every single hour, this method will help you post at the perfect times automatically. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on x.com. You can also open the X mobile application, and whichever device you are using, you just have to first of all log in into your account. So once you are here, simply click on the option of this post button. Now over here, you just have to start writing something that you want to basically tweet. Over here, you can include the text, the images, or the videos just like you normally do. But before posting it over here, simply tap on the option of this calendar icon or this schedule icon. Now in 2025, the best times to post are still around 9 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. in your audience's time zone. So you can check your X analytics and you can go to the audience tab to see when your followers are most active. You can pick one of the times in the scheduler for higher visibility and engagement, and then you just have to simply click on the option of confirm on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now once you have done that, click on the option of schedule and your post will be in the scheduled option. Now if you manage multiple tweets, you can use X Pro, which is formerly known as the tweet deck, or some of the other tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Metricool. You can also create a full content calendar. Then you can schedule the days in the advance and preview how your tweets will look. So these tools also show the analytics to track the performance after posting. So when you're scheduling, you need to make sure that your tweets have a short, catchy hook, one to two relevant hashtags, and a clear call to action like what do you think or retweet if you agree. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.